export the activity within your BIM360 project, either BIM360 Docs or depending on what product of BIM360 you're using, simply just go into your project admin panel as long as you have admin access. Then under the activity tab, you'll see under services, under activity, and make sure you're in document management. Just go to export, and what is actually exporting is everything below here in this list. So this shows the previous 30 days, but you can actually go right back to the very start of a project, for example. So you just go to export, the date range that you wish to export. So you can go back a couple of months, 1st of July to October, or you can also send the file via email as well. This just exports it to a CSV or translatable into an Excel file. Just hit save on that, and you'll then receive an email with the actual activity log itself. Once you receive that email, simply just open up the email. So this could have been sent obviously to another person on the project, and they'll receive this link, or you'll receive this link. Just go to download report. So I'm just going to sign in with my Autodesk password. That's now going to download immediately. Open up in Excel. Here we have our CSV file. Complete log of line items of who made the activity, the username responsible, the action that that person took, and obviously in an ISO 19650 project, this is extremely important and required in terms of ISO 19650 compliance as well. It tells you exactly what has changed, the date and time, and all of that information is contained in there as well.